I've been at Caterpillar for 10 years now, and the day that I walked in the door and today when I walk in the door, it's a different work environment. Some days it feels like we're not changing fast enough, and other times you stop and you look back and you see how different it is in a 10-year period. Today I'm working in probably our most successful work group that I've ever been a part of, and I really will chalk it up to having a manager that celebrates diversity. I found out about this conference that Caterpillar hosts called the Women in Leadership Conference. And so the value of this conference is that typically women that come up in the business come up in roles where they may not have exposure to these topics, leadership development. And so it's a really powerful forum where people come together and learn from each other. Midway through my time at Caterpillar, I started to surround myself with a really great network of mentors and peers that would challenge me, that would hold me accountable, that would push me to try new things. And I think because of that, I have stepped out of the box in many cases. In my current role today, I'm definitely operating outside of my comfort zone, and that's because I had mentors push me to do that. So what makes me excited is to see more women in roles at the dealership in leadership positions, and not just more women, but also more diversity. And when I think of balance, I think of it in terms of the way we approach our teams, the way we give our teams opportunities, the way we distribute work amongst our teams, the way we structure the panels to interview people to join our teams. And I think the way that we talk is a big way of how we influence balance.